Yasi Pressman naging emosyonal sa kanyang ika-25th birthday. Bakit kaya? Panoorin ang kabuuang kwento. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Chika naman tayo today. At yes, kahapon lamang, May 11, 2020, ginunita ni Yasi Pressman ang kanyang ika-25th birthday. Masasabing quarantine birthday ang kanyang selebrasyon dahil kasalukuyan under SCQ pa rin ang buong Luzon. At masasabing may halong lungkot at saya ang kanyang kaarawan ngayong taon base na rin sa kanyang Instagram post na ibinahagi niya. Lungkot dahil ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na hindi niya kasama ang kanyang daddy dahil kamakailan lamang ay namayapa na ito. Pero ipinangako ni Yasi na manatili siyang matatag sa anumang pagsubok na dumating sa kanyang buhay. Kaya dahil sa panibagong taon na ibinigay ng Panginoon kay Yasi at saya dahil sa patuloy ng pagbahagi ng pagmamahal sa lahat. Ipinapasalamat niya rin sa lahat ng tao na bumati sa kanyang kaarawan. Nagbahagi rin siya ng gulay at laruan sa mga identified hospitals na kahit sa maliit na paraan man lang ay makapaghatid siya ng tuwa sa mga tao at kinoconsider niya ito na best gift sa kanyang birthday. Ito ang kabuuang post sa kanyang Instagram. First one without you, I'm 25 today, Papa. Gonna promise to be the best that I can be just like you told me. I'm a big girl now. Promise to take care of this one and every person that I love and everyone who shows me love. To everyone who greeted me through your calls, texts, your social media posts, an amazing video that made me cry like a baby last night. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I may not be able to reply to every single one of you guys, but my heart is with you all. Stay safe and spread love and kindness. Send out food, veggies, and toys to some hospitals with the help of my friends. And I hope we made you guys smile. And seeing that will already be a great gift for me. Thanks again, everyone. Love you all. My only wish is that soon I hope work will be back for everyone. The sick get better and finally our beautiful world heals. Umani rin ito ng iba't ibang komento mula sa mga kapwa-artista gaya na lang ni Alex Gonzaga, Pokwang, Sam Concepcion, Gary Valenciano, Kim Molina at iba pa, maging ang kanyang mga followers na nag-iwan ng pagbati kay Yasi. And to Yasi, many happy returns of the day. May God gives you a happy and a healthy life ahead. I admire your simplicity after being earning so much name and fame. You are still very wise, simple and humble person. Happy birthday, princesses. Yasi, you are so loved by many. Keep shining. And for more updates, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. I-click ang bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa aking latest chika. Thank you for watching!